Welcome to another yoga story. I'm Leslie Stanley, and today we are going to be reading Mia's Mountain Hike. You can see we're on a mountain right now, so come join us.
Mia loved the forest. She loved looking for animals, swimming in the lake, and having lunch outside, but her absolute favorite thing to do in the forest was to go hiking with Aunt Lisa. They would leave the city sounds behind and enter the magical forest world. At the head of the trail, Mia grabbed Aunt Lisa's hand. She smiled and then led her aunt down the mountain path. They were off on their next adventure. The sun's rays streamed through the sweet-smelling pine branches and lit the path. Mia even heard an eagle squawk. "Where do these nuts come from, Auntie Lisa?" Mia asked. "From the trees," Auntie Lisa shook a branch and acorns fell to the ground. "Squirrels collect them for winter." Mia gathered a pile of acorns and placed them into a tree hole. "I wonder if squirrels get tired of eating acorns." Continuing down the path, they came across a misty waterfall. They put down their backpacks and stood silently, their eyes closed. Mia felt the cool spray wash over her, and she took a deep breath. "This is magic," she thought. When the day got warmer, they stopped at the lake to cool off. They watched a family of ducks waddle past on the sandy beach. Auntie Lisa pointed across the lake at Mama Bear and her cubs. "Stay still, Mia," she said, pulling Mia close. "Those bears are busy eating berries and aren't interested in us." Mia felt safe with her aunt, but she could feel her heart beating faster. They watched and waited while the three black bears grazed in the meadow. "Are bears dangerous, Auntie Lisa?" Mia asked after the animals had ambled away. "That's a good question. Bears aren't dangerous if we leave them alone. The same goes for most wild animals." Auntie Lisa patted her on the back. "Oh, like cougars?" asked Mia. "Yes," said her aunt. Mia heard a rustle in the grass. "I think I just heard a snake." "Life is so busy at home," Mia said, reveling in the peace and quiet. "That's why it's important to take it easy once in a while." Auntie Lisa leaned back against a rock. Mia listened to the talk of a woodpecker. "Isn't this the most beautiful day?" Auntie Lisa beamed. "I think that woodpecker agrees with you." When they continued on their hike, Auntie Lisa pointed out a deer dashing up the hill beside them. Mia smiled. "I love being in the forest," she thought. Taking one step at a time, they slowly climbed the rocky path. Mia could hear her own deep breathing. The deer had made the hike look easy, but Mia had to focus and keep telling herself that she could do it. Finally, they came to a wooden bridge crossing a rushing river. "Where does the water come from, Auntie Lisa?" "See how it comes down from the top of the mountain? Ice melts and rain falls. Then you have a river." There's so much to learn, thought Mia. At the top of the mountain, they used a flat rock as the table for their picnic. There's no better place to eat lunch, she thought. After lunch, they lingered at the summit. Mia lay back and gazed at the blue sky. The world seemed so big, and she felt so small. "Can we go on another hike soon?" Mia asked. "You bet," said Auntie Lisa with a wink.
Thank you for joining us for Mia's mountain hike. See you next time. Namaste.